Well, it's time for your weekend wellness, and doctors are warning that your trusty humidifier may actually be making your cold and flu symptoms worse.
The condition known as humidifier lung can cause symptoms lasting days, weeks, or even lifelong chronic health issues. Joining us now to discuss is Fox News medical contributor, Dr. Nicole Saphier. Great to see you this morning, Dr. Saphier.
Okay.
So this is a real problem.
That's right, humidifier lung. It may sound a little silly to you, but it is a real inflammatory condition. We call it inflammatory pneumonitis. And what can happen is when you're using humidifiers regularly throughout the house, especially the ultrasonic ones, it can aerosolize bacteria, mold, other microtoxins that can also then produce an inflammatory reaction in your lungs. Now, I can tell you guys, this is a huge issue, especially in the wintertime when people have their humidifiers going because of all of the dry air from the heating systems. But there are some things that you can do to try and prevent this. One of the big things is you want to make sure you're keeping those humidifiers clean. You don't want to be using tap water. I know it's easy to just put it under the bathroom sink or whatever it is, but tap water actually can contaminate it quickly. You want to go and get the jugs of distilled water from the store to be putting in the humidifiers. You want to be washing your humidifiers at least once a week. If you just look at the manufacturing recommendations, they will tell you how to do it. And one of the big signs is if you are coughing a lot at home, but it seems to get better as you go out and do your day, but then you come back home and you're coughing again, huge red flag, guys.
So you need to clean your humidifier and you need to do all the things that you just said. What if somebody is watching right now and they go, oh no, I think I have what Dr. Saphier is talking about. What should they do besides cleaning the humidifier at that moment?
So the first thing is, if you think that your coughing is worse when you're around the humidifier, why don't you just try 24 hours, take away the humidifier, see if it gets better. Because this is an inflammatory condition, not necessarily an infection from the humidifier. But by the way, especially if you're immunocompromised, you can get infections from your humidifiers as well, which is why keeping them clean and using distilled water is so important. Take the humidifier away. See if the cough gets better in the next couple of days. If it does, I mean, there's your answer right now. But if you continue to have a cough, go see the doctor. They may order some imaging because inflammatory pneumonitis has a very classic pattern on a CT scan. And sometimes it can take steroids and other things, but definitely removing the humidifier is the first step to combating this inflammatory condition.
Really quick, if you keep your fireplace on all the time, do you need a humidifier? Or, I mean, is there a reason to have one?
Well, yeah, actually, having a fire on all the time dries your air even more.
Right.
So humidifier, you're trying to put moisture into the air because a lot of people get like nosebleeds and stuff because of the dry heat coming from the heating system. So a lot of people like the humidifiers, not just for their lungs and their breathing, their nasopharynx, but it also helps your skin as well.
The old strategy of just putting a pot of clean water on your radiator and and then, of course, leaving your house to be leaky so that you get plenty of fresh air from the outside. That's the solution, I think.
I like that.
Dr. Saphier, thank you so much.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.